Hey there, today I'm gonna show you how to create a coloring book with the Leonardo AI. Now, firstly, we need to head over to this website app.leonardo.ai, and here on the main page you will find first of all the featured models on which basis you will create your own designs, meaning they will be used as a reference style. And now if you click on any of these, for example, I'm gonna click here, a pop-up message will appear, and by clicking generate with this model you can start using this model to create your own styles. And if you come down here you will see images created using this model. And also if you scroll down on the main page you can find recent creations, and in this section you can find the new and trending topics. Like if you click new you will find the most recent uploads. And firstly, let's head over to this training and datasets option. Here you can create your own datasets by clicking on the create new dataset button. You just need to give it any name, like I will just say coloring pages, and simply click on the create dataset button. Alright, once your dataset has been created you need to upload the images. Alright, I have uploaded around 20 images. Make sure to upload at least 30 or 40 images, the more the better. And once the images have been successfully uploaded, you need to click on the train model button. Right, our dataset is created and we have successfully uploaded the images. Now we are going to train our model. Just write any description which is suitable to your model. I'll just keep it coloring pages, and we will keep this the same in instance prompt as well. And once you're done with that, simply click on start training. But I have already created my model, so I'm just gonna close this, and we will be using the model which I have already created. Right, once your dataset is done, we need to head over to AI image generation section. And basically how Leonardo works is you have some number of points here, and every time you generate some new images or if you upscale an image, these points are gonna be used in order to generate them. And as you can see, if you're on the free version you have around 150 tokens, out of which I have used some, and they will reset each day, so no worries if you have used up all of your tokens, they will be completely reset when you come back the next day. Alright, so firstly here you can see the prompt generation button. Basically this is a tool to help you write nice prompts which you will be using to create your images. Like for example, I'm just going to write something here, coloring pages with a line. I'm sorry, I don't know how to spell a line correctly now. And black and white colors with no background, no black background. As you can see, it has generated some usable prompts for you, so you don't have to think a lot. Just give it anything which comes to your mind and it will give you some really nice prompts which you can use to generate your images. Okay, let's just try this one out and see what happens. As we click that, it is going to generate our images. Oh, and by the way, here you can see the number of images. I have selected 4, but you can select up to 8. And remember, each image takes around 5 tokens. So I have generated 4 images. So it has taken around 20 tokens from me and I have 62 remaining. And if you go back to your personal feed section, here you can see the images which you have generated. Now these are some really good looking pages. Like here I gave the prompt for a bird through the sky, and this was some anime girl and a line, and this is a really nice looking page. Like look at that. And here we have the latest ones which we just prompted it to create for us. And also, by the way, since you are on the free trial, people can see your artworks because every art you create is public by default, so people can leave a like to your artworks and you'll be famous in no time. You have some options to edit them in either canvas or you can upscale them. Let me try editing one of these, like try this one in canvas. So basically you can use this editor to edit the images which you have created. Like if you want to erase some part which is not looking so good, well, this image is perfect in my opinion, so I'm just going to erase this because we don't want that on the background. And we can also draw a mask and use that mask later on. We can increase the size of the brush. We can select this mask, and once we have masked an area around the bird, I want it to do something, like let's say please color this masked area with more unique patterns and colors. There, as you can see, you just have to select some parts of that and use prompt, and that will do all the edits for you. Of course, most of them will not be perfect, but as you can see, these are some usable results. Like here, this is good. I think we can use this, so I'll click on the accept button, and there the changes have been applied, and we can download this artwork. So I'm just gonna go back because I don't want to save that. It was just to show you how you can do that. Right, that was how you use Leonardo AI to generate your coloring book. And if you wish to edit an image you have generated, you can also use the AI canvas tool, or you can upscale those images. Hope this video helped you. Also, you should definitely check out this video, and if you took value, let us know or give it a like and subscribe.